Hi guys, and today I'm doing a vlog, but first I've got two things to unbox. One of them I know where it's from, T-Shirt Studio, where I've designed my own hoodie, and the second one I'm not sure where it's come from, so let's do this. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up. Yeah, so this is my T-shirt. Themetaphorest T-shirt. And this is my brother's shirt. And Themetaphorest hoodie. I'm just in Kensal Rise enjoying some breakfast. As you can see, it's at Vicky's. So I got the ultimate breakfast roll with 3 items: eggs, sausage and bacon, which is $3.60. Let's open this bad boy up. Cheers. Look at that. It looks so buff. I'm just gonna eat this. I'll get back to you guys later. That is good. Also, the guy asked if I wanted my eggs runny. Like, to even have that option is sick. So yeah, definitely would recommend you coming in. Hi guys, so I just did a competition this week for a social media animation to be given or created to the winner. Basically, I've just finished putting it together, so let me just turn it over. So it says, "Hi Pav, congratulations on being the first winner of my first competition. Here are not 1 but 7 files, all optimized for your Instagram story." Yo, so I'm just going to the barber's to get a quick trim because I ain't had one in months. So this is the before, let's see the after. And this is after. What do you guys think? You don't know? I ain't had a trim in ages, so anything would be sick right now. So but yeah, I think man did a decent job. Just need to go have a shower now and that. So see you later. So today we're going to go to High Street Kent to pick up a game, Streets of Rage 4. My brother wants to play it, so he bought it today. Also, I forgot to say that we're also going to Japan House as well, just to see what's going on there as well. They do have an exhibition space. loves a twister. Classic. So we just come out of Japan House, and they had some masks that me and my brother wanted. They had some sick designs, but too expensive. So one mask is £20, but you can get a pack of them, but you have to make them yourself, and that's £22. And we just thought that was just too long, so we just didn't buy it. The exhibition was not there. There's a new thing happening in September. They had some cool stuff in